Ever pondered the idea of investing in short-term rental properties? There's an undeniable allure to the concept, the promise of lucrative returns, the flexibility, and let's not forget the joy of playing host to people from all walks of life. But where does one start, and how does one navigate the exciting yet potentially complex world of short-term rentals? Fear not, for this video is here to demystify this very topic. Step 1. Identify your goals. Why do you want to invest in short-term rentals? Is it purely for financial gains, or do you also have a passion for hospitality? Understanding your objectives will guide your decisions and keep you focused when challenges arise. Step 2. Research. Understand the market dynamics in your area of interest. What's the average occupancy rate? How much can you realistically charge per night? What are the laws and regulations governing short-term rentals? Knowledge, in this case, is not just power, it's profits too. Step 3. Secure the right property. Location is key. Proximity to tourist attractions, business districts, or transportation hubs can significantly increase your property's appeal. But don't forget about the property itself. A property that's comfortable, well-furnished, and has a unique charm can command higher rental rates. Step 4. List your property. Optimize your listing to attract potential renters. High-quality photos, a captivating description, and competitive pricing are all crucial elements. Remember, you're not just selling a property, you're selling an experience. Step 5. Deliver stellar service. From the moment a guest books to the time they check out, strive to provide a seamless and memorable experience. Happy guests leave positive reviews, and positive reviews attract more guests. Now, let's revisit the key points discussed in the video. Identify your goals, conduct thorough market research, secure the right property, optimize your listing, and deliver outstanding service. These are the fundamental steps towards a successful short-term rental investment. However, it's important to remember that every investment carries risks, and short-term rentals are no exception. Unpredictable occupancy rates, regulatory changes, property maintenance, these are just a few of the potential challenges you might face. But with careful planning, thorough research, and a commitment to excellence, these challenges can be managed, if not entirely mitigated. As we wrap up, remember that this is just one avenue in the vast landscape of real estate investment. In the next video, we'll delve into another exciting realm, multifamily real estate. Until then, keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep investing.